Ear candy can make a track sound much more exciting by shifting the listener's attention across different elements in your music. Take this jungle track without the ear candy. There's little going on, which focuses our attention on the pad playing chords every 4 bars. However, simply introducing ear candy adds enough interest to mask the repetition of the pad, shifting attention toward the dynamic elements. Ear candy comes in 2 main forms: musical sounds that alternate in and out of the arrangement and take advantage of stereo imaging effects, and natural sounds that come from the world around us. One easy way to create ear candy from your current projects is to take one of the melodies and play it an octave higher on a different synth. Add stereo effects and reverb to inject some sweetness. From the pad, a more interesting arpeggiated swell sound is born. Adding a delay that pitch shifts the sound up an octave is another exciting option. Another option is to chop up sounds that are played once, providing a second, easy variation. Watch this video for more on layering your sounds to create a 3D mix.